Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to use the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here. And we have the data to which we can apply the different conditional formatting tools and we'll see how they work. So to say about the conditional formatting option, it is available here under the Home tab in the Styles panel over here, this one. Got it? And if you click on this arrow, you can see number of different options under that. So we'll see the first one, highlight cell rules, and we'll see these options here. Okay. And to say about the use of conditional formatting, it makes it very easy to highlight the data in your spreadsheet. Maybe if you want some of the data to stand out, you can use the conditional formatting. In fact, you can use the fill color option here to highlight data. But when you use conditional formatting, you don't have to search for the values to highlight them. But whereas if you use fill color, you have to find the values manually and you have to apply the fill color, right? In conditional formatting, you don't have to search for the values. So let us see how. So first things first you have to select the complete column. So select the column to which you want to apply the conditional formatting. So let me first tell you a few things about this data over here. So this is the data about the goals scored by football players in the Premier League last year. So in the first column we have the player names and in the second column we have the teams to which they belong and in the third column we have what is their role and in the fourth column we have how many goals they hit and in the fifth column we have how many assists they hit. Got it? So let us consider this column here where you can see number of goals hit. So first you have to select the entire column. So come to this letter E here, click on it. So the whole column gets selected. Don't try to select this way. It will take more time. Just go select the letter on the column. So the whole column gets selected. So select it that way. So now come to the conditional formatting option here. Click on this arrow. There are a number of options under that. We'll try the first one, highlight cells rule. So we have number of rules over here. We'll try the first one. So click on it. We'll see a dialog box. So here you have to enter some value. In this case, I'm going to enter 15 here. I'm going to enter 15 here. So what happens is in this particular column, all the numbers that are more than 15 will be highlighted. Got it? So how they will be highlighted? They will be highlighted in this way, light red filled with dark red text. So if you click on this arrow, you will see number of different options. You can select any of these, but by default it will be in this one, light red filled with dark red text. That's what you see here. Got it? You can use a custom format as well. If you want, it means you can click on this one here. So you will see one more dialog box. Using the options available here, you can customize the way you want. But in this case, I'm going to use the fill color as yellow and the border as outline. And I click on OK. Now, as you can see, I have used the custom format and you can see a preview here. Click on OK. And you can see, so these are the players who hit more than 15 goals, right? These are the players. So if you had to use the fill color option means you had to select the cells, create the borders manually, find the values manually. There would be so much of work, yes. So now if you want to remove it means you can select the cell again, come to conditional formatting and clear rules. Come to this one, click on the first one, clear rules from selected cells. So that's how you remove. Got it? So in the same way you can use these options as well. The first four very similar. Just go through them. Now let us come to this option, text that contains. So for this option, you have to select a column with text. Got it? You have to select a column with text, not number. For these four options, you need a column with number, whereas for this one, you want a column with text. So let's see how. So I'll select the column C here. I click on it and I come to conditional formatting and I come to the option text that contains. So remember, you have to type the word exactly as in the column. So I will type in Liverpool, and in this case I'm not going to use the custom format, just going to stick with the light red filled with dark red text. I click on OK. Can you see all the ones with Liverpool word in it are selected? Can you see that? Yes, right. In the same way, you can remove it by selecting the column, come to conditional formatting, click on clear rules, select the first one. In the same way, you can use the a date occurring option to highlight dates and duplicate values when you have a duplicate value which you entered by mistake. If you want to find it out, you can use this duplicate values option here. Got it right? So this was about the highlight cell rules. We'll see other options in the next video. So I hope you understood the video. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.